Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. Today our group will present about the assignment 2 circle, which is our group choose for the nodal analysis method. Okay, first this is a group member Alif Nabi Berazak, Amir Aziz bin Zamzam and Karish Anak Lelaki Janat. Okay, first I will explain to you all about calculation for this circle. Okay, first the first calculation is how to calculate the VA. Okay, we can see here the VA at the node. You can see here VA at the node 1 is the voltage ampere for the whole circuit. Okay, first we by using the KCL we will get this equation I1 plus I2 equal to I3. Okay, I1 is the value for the resistor current, I2 is the value for capacitor current, and I3 is a value for inductor current. Okay, so we just need to arrange the equation. First we get like this equation. Okay, and then after we get this equation, we remove the VA to the right side of the equation. We will get 20 degree 90 divided by 10 plus 10 angle 0 degree divided by negative J5 equal to VA per J10 plus VA per 10 plus VA per minus J5. Okay, for this we get to settle this equation. We get like this: Vj minus V per J equal to VA 1 per 10 plus 1 per J10 minus plus 1 per negative J5. We just insert the previous remove the VA to the name and then we factorize it. Okay, so after we get this equation we can settle it like, okay, so we get 40J equal to VA bracket of 1 plus J. Okay, and then we will get the value of VA is 88.3 angle 45 degree volt. Okay, so and then the equation for VA, the value of VA is 28.3 cos 10 J 10 degree 45 10 angle 45 degree volt. Okay, this is how we will calculate for the whole circuit, the current and the whole circuit voltage and the value of P, S and Q. Okay, first by using KCL method like here, we get like this equation: V1 divided by 10 plus V1 divided by 1 minus V2 divided by 20 micro, and then divided by 20, and then the second equation is 10 minus V2 minus V1 divided by 20. Okay, by first we need to solve for V1. We just need to time is by 10, and then we will remove this equation. We get 10 V1 plus 10 minus 5 V by 10 V2 divided by 2 V equal to 0. Okay, this equation we will get like this. For the first equation is 10 V1 minus 5 V2 equal to 10. And then for the second equation, we make like earlier, we divide by the 20, and then we will the 20 at this bracket, in the bracket will disappear, and then we bracket to 100 minus V2 minus V1 equal to 0. And then we will get V1 for the next equation, we will get V1 equal to minus 100 plus V2. Okay, and then we insert back the value of V1 in the equation of in the third equation, and then we will get the value of V2 is 400 volt. After we get the value of V2, we insert the value of V2 at 5 V2 this, we will get the value of V1 is 200 volt. Then we can calculate the value for the each current I1 and I2 and I3, which is I1 we will get 20 ampere, and I2 we will get 200 ampere, and I3 we will get 10 ampere. And then after we get the value of I1 and I2 and the V1 and V2, we can calculate for real power. This is P equal to 1 square R. We will get uh, 30 ohm, and then for V total we just need to add both the value of voltage. We get 600 volt, and then for I total we by using ohm's law we get 600 per time ohm equal to 60 ampere, and then for the power level we get 36 kilo ampere, and then for Q we get 72 kilovolt. For the S we get 8,000 8,498.4407 voltage ampere. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.